Brought to you by
Envy, the power of French perfume.
Nice perfume. Nice perfume.
Envy, the power of French perfume.
I have told them to play golf and I encourage them to play whenever they have time. But because of the busy calendar, it's very hard to find time. But I think, IPL is a good time for them to actually find time and hit some balls. And it's up to them. Now they're superstars of the game and they have to decide what's going to help them to be better. If golf can be something, then they have to decide that. But I encourage all the athletes to play golf. I think it's a great way to unwind and it's a great way to be with your friends out there, and it's great for the mind.
So much talk about preserving their bodies. Will it help them?
See, it clearly depends on how much you play, how much you relax. I feel that any sport that helps you relax is going to be less taxing on the body, more fruitful for the mind. So as I said, I encourage all the young cricketers, and if you see the culture of golf, right? Speaking Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, England, all the best cricketers, or majority of the best cricketers, have played golf from a very young age.
Yeah.
And you see a lot of these guys actually play a lot of golf and less cricket practice during tours. Because you can't change something in your game in 3 days. But how can you recover and be mentally fresh for the game? We're just talking about that. So I just feel it's just not cricket. For any sporting person who plays any sport in the world should play golf, because eventually it will bring out the best in them, in their sport. I truly believe that. And just to be really excited to be part of IGPL, because I feel that when I was playing cricket, I always used to think that, I could have played more matches, I could have done better. But I think when I started playing golf, I realized that probably that was my biggest regret, not starting golf at a young age.
Yeah.
I realized that it's such an amazing sport.
Yeah.
And and a golfer's life is so hard. When you're going on tour, that you have to pay your bills, you have to make a cut.
Yeah.
And in cricket we had the advantage with BCCI that we, from the under 16 and the 19s, we never had to look after our daily allowance or renting a room and getting paid for whatever cricket you were playing.
Yeah.
So I think IGPL is providing that format to, especially the younger generation coming on board, that you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
And I think that will give a lot of confidence to younger talent to come on board. I feel going to the grassroots level is very important. And my foundation, UVCAN, has been supporting a couple of young golfers. But I think this is going to be a great format. I hope this changes the momentum of golf, because I think if you compare IGPL to say IPL, right? IPL changed the whole dynamics of Indian cricket and world cricket. And if IGPL can do that in golf, it'll be incredible to see that.
And that is the hope, to see the sport be revolutionized. And I think that's why we're here. I remember actually watching you test golf clubs for the first time, the first few times at Willingdon way back, and I know you now carry your set everywhere you go. So just a thought on the obsessive nature of the sport, because as you said, I think a key is to bring about more awareness to the sport, to make it more accessible, and that is one of the goals, isn't it, of the IGPL and yourself as well?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a full tour, and then it's going to be the IGPL League, which is going to be fast, more paced, men and women both competing. The quality of the game, I think, is really important to motivate both men and women. And I think I really hope it changes the face of golf in India, and I'm sure it's going to, because the chairman Vijay Reddy has put in a lot of effort, created an amazing and a big team to create something like this. Something like this, you can only think, you can have a dream about it.
Yeah.
But to put it together, it's a lot of work. So the reason also that I've come on board is to help help the sport grow. Obviously, I want to see the budding golfers, the current golfers, to go to better levels of golf, whether it's Asian Tour, European, or PGA. I just want to see a lot of young golfers and our golfers do well. They're going to be Olympics coming soon. It'll be great to have one of the guys getting a medal over there.
And a big team event, which is why this format is even better, I guess. So that helps.
Yeah, definitely it is. Golf is a global sport, and hopefully IGPL can make it really big in India and across the globe as well. The love for the game, I can say that I just had a slip disc playing too much golf.
We have something in common.
Yeah, exactly. And just trying to get fitter and getting back just to play golf. I think in cricket you used to probably when you were younger, it's easier. When you get older, you have to work harder on your body.
Yeah.
But I think the love for the game, as I just spoke about it, how it started, when I stopped playing cricket. As I said, I regret it if I started early. And I think, as ma'am said, IGPL is going to be, it's going to be a new world of golf, and a lot of young men and women, youngsters competing in the world of golf. And I think this is what golf needed in India.
Yeah.
Somebody to come and support the game of golf and tell the guys and tell the girls that listen, go and play golf. Don't worry about anything else. We're going to come and support you, and just go out there and perform. Try and get to the best level. Try and be the best. As a sportsman, if I'm playing any sport, I want to be the best in the
Absolutely.
world, not only just best in my city. I think IGPL is going to give you that platform to be the best in the world and play the league as well. And hopefully IGPL becomes such a great league like an IPL that in the next 5 years guys don't have to go anywhere.
Absolutely.
People want to come and compete in IGPL. So I think that's the whole thought process. Mr. Mandi obviously explained the vision behind the tour, the league, and grassroots level, what they want to do with schools, and just how you can tell the locals to come and play the sport, experience it, new people to experience the sport, fans of cricket to come and support the sport if some other cricketers come and play as well. And just grow the sport in India. That's the whole point around this. But as I said, IGPL hopefully changes the way golf is played in India. As we all spoke about it, I think we have some great stories with Shiv and SSP. I played with them, I heard their stories. Also played with Jim Milkha, who's a big legend in our game. The guys on the senior tour. After 50, it's really hard on the body, and the guy is just relentless. I really hope that the next generation of players try to be like them and better. And I think IGPL will give them an opportunity to be fearless and go out there and try and win, try and be the best in the world, and bring a lot of laurels to the country. More of a question, Mr. Mandi, but that's what we hope for, and it'll be great if we can get there. If IGPL can change the face of Indian golf and world golf, and we get to that level there where the best players in the world want to come and play the IGPL. I mean, that's the dream. And we have a great team. We have some great players who are sitting here with me, and hopefully we can achieve that in the future.
Thank you.
मैच से जुड़े आपके हर सवाल का हम देंगे जवाब। जानने के लिए हर अपडेट, लाइव एनालिसिस, स्पेशल इंटरव्यूज डाउनलोड कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स तक ऐप।